Do you want to check a file for viruses but don't have an antivirus installed on your computer? Or you unsure which of many antivirus programs would be suitable for your specific situation? Here is a solution to this problem: VirusTotal. VirusTotal is an online service for detecting viruses and malware. It's a multi-scanner platform that combines over 70 antivirus software programs. This essentially means that when you upload a file you want to check for viruses, it will be simultaneously scanned by more than 70 antivirus programs. To add a file, simply click on Choose File and select the file you want to scan, or you can drag and drop the file from your computer on the VirusTotal website. After the file analysis is complete, you will receive a list of antivirus programs that scanned your file, along with the scanning results. It is important to note that different antivirus programs often give false positive results. When it comes to false positive detections, pay attention to the number of detections. If only 1 or 2 out of 70 plus antivirus programs have flagged your file as threat, it's likely false positive. However, if a larger number of antivirus programs, 3, 4, 5 or more, have marked the file as suspicious or malicious, it is hard to dismiss as false positive. User comments also provide great help in identifying false and true positive detections. All registered users can leave comments and share their experience, helping the wider community determine whether it's true or false positive detection. With VirusTotal, you can scan not only files but also links. If you are suspicious of a website and fear that visiting it might infect your computer with virus, you can check before visiting. To do this, simply enter web address into marked field. If you want VirusTotal to scan all files you download from the internet, you can install the VT4 browser's extension, which will scan all files you download and provide you data about potential threats before you open them. The only drawback of this online virus scanner is that the size of the scanned files cannot exceed 650 megabytes. However, this limitation can be overcome by compressing larger files using programs like WinRAR, WinZip and similar. In this case, I'll use WinRAR and set the folder to be divided into multiple segments, with each segment not exceeding 500 megabytes. It should be underlined that VirusTotal is not designed to be a primary solution in the fight against viruses. The reason for this is that there is no real-time protection capability. Your computer can be infected by USB or external hard drive, which VirusTotal doesn't scan. Also, the limitation of the size of the files that can be scanned with VirusTotal, which we already discussed, make it unsuitable as a primary antivirus system. In other words, while VirusTotal is a great tool for threat analysis and verification, it is designed to complement, not replace, primary antivirus solution. Thanks to everyone who took the time to watch this video. I hope you find it useful or at least informative.